So, good day, Mamel. As the continuation of the report of Miss Warren Favillar, um, aspartame or NutraSweet, uh, approved by FDA in 1981, is used in both the United States and Canada and account for 3/4 of current artificial sweeteners used. It tastes like sucrose but is 150 times sweeter. It provides 4 kilocalories per gram as the sucrose, but because so little is used, its calorie contribution is negligible. Aspartame has quickly found its way into almost every diet food on the market today. The safety of aspartame lies with its hydrolysis product, the amino identical to this obtained from digestion of proteins. The only danger of aspartame is that it contains phenylalanine, an amino acid that can lead to mental retardation among young children suffering from PUK. This PUK is a kana siyang sakit ni siya sa anan ko na siya sakit nga og mo if mo take ka mo kaon ka ni nga klase nga sweetener na siya bad effect sa mga tao. Di po dingon nga tanan naray ko na ni ubang tao nga dili pwede mo siyang POK mo PKU I mean phenylketonuria. Labels on all products containing aspartame warns. So, ang uban nga gagamit sa aspartame, nabutang silang label tungod kay lagi na ay uban nga kuan bawal sila. So, about sa phenylketonurics of this potential danger. Next is sucralose, a derivative of sucrose. Is a new low-calorie entry into artificial sweetener market. It is synthesized from sucrose by substitution of three chlorine atom for hydroxyl groups. An advantage of sucralose over aspartame is that it is heat stable and can therefore be used in cooked food. So, ang kaning sucralose magamit siya sa nato sa pagkaon kay di mo siya pareha sa uban nga katong mawala iyang katamis if maluto or mahit siya. So when mawala iyang katamis when heated. So sucralose is 60 times sweeter than sucrose and has similar taste. So tamis ni siya kaayo. Then pero same ra sila og taste pero mas o prefer og gamito ning sucralose kung magluto ka. Okay. It is calorie free because it cannot be hydrolyzed as it passes through the digestive tract. So low calorie. Then sa matong mga ganahan mag-diet and yeah. Then nadre sa name, then types, then sweetness. So the best nga gamitan is for me sucralose kay tamis siya, then magamit siya sa pagluto, dayon calorie free.